Okay, hello. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be changing spark plugs on this 2022 Harley Davidson Street Bob 114. It's actually quite simple, right? So this particular motorbike, it has four spark plugs. You have two on the left side and two on the other side. So one, two, and then we're going to go on the other side. Three and four right over here. Okay. All right, some of the tools that we're going to be using, right, is a regular spark plug wrench, and this is a 5/8. We're going to use the gapper. I got a little bit of a dielectric grease, and I have the original, I just purchased these spark plugs. These are 6R10, and they come in, and this is the part number, if you guys want, okay? So let's start this very simple, okay? So what you want to do is first, we're going to change this one, right? I'm just going to pull this out, just like this. Then I'm going to take the air compressor and I'm going to blow on it. That way, no corruption is going to go inside the engine. So I just want to blow it. Okay, I'll blow that one too. Okay, we are good. Okay. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my spark plug wrench and we're going to undo the spark plug. Okay, here we go. So basically this is what the spark plug looks like, right? It's not bad. It's actually burning fuel very well, so there's no big issue. Okay, so now we're just going to come up here. We're going to take this guy out, put it over here. I'm going to take my new spark plug and then we're going to gap it. And the gap you want between 0.030 to 0.035. So in between here. So what I'm doing is I'm just checking the gap, and it's still a little bit tight. Okay, and we want to be right in between. Okay, so this spark plug is gapped. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of dielectric grease and I'm going to put it a little bit on the thread right here and a little bit up here. That way it it slides a little bit easier. Okay, so now I'm just going to place the spark plug like this. I'm going to come up here. I'm going to insert it back in, okay? And you want to use your hand tighten for now, okay? Okay, I'm just going to go and just tighten it a little bit more till I start feeling a little bit of resistance. Okay, yeah, right there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my torque wrench and I'm going to torque this to 12 foot-pounds. Right? Okay. Set this up to 12 foot-pounds. It's 10, 11, 12, right there. Okay? We're going to come up here. And we're going to torque it. And okay, and we are good. So that spark plug is good. And I also applied a little bit of dielectric grease, a little bit inside here. That way it slides a little bit better. And I just slide this in, and this one is good. Okay. So I will quickly go through these guys right here, and it's a very simple procedure. Okay, okay, and this is the second spark plug. It's also not bad, but it's due. Okay, this out, use the gapper, use the correct gap, and we are Oh, this one's, see, this one's a little bit too much. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit it a little bit lightly. Oh yeah, we are within the spec. Okay. Apply a little bit of grease on top. And now we're going to go and insert this guy in.
Oh, she's going in like butter. Very nice. Okay. Okay, and now we're going to quickly torque it.
Okay, we are good. And just like I said earlier, I did apply a little bit of dielectric grease. I'm going to slide this in. And these two spark plugs are done. Now we're going to go on the other side and we're going to do the same thing. Okay. First I'm going to pull this out. Okay. And I'm going to pull this second plug. Okay, here we go. And I'm going to bring the air compressor and I'm going to quickly blow this. Okay. Okay. See how much stuff just... Okay, and this guy. Okay, good. See, and a lot of stuff actually did come out. Okay. Good. Now I'm just gonna insert this guy in and
Okay. Okay, she's almost up.
okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. So this is what the spark plug looks like. All right, we're gonna do the same thing. Take this guy out. Now we're gonna open this up. Okay, I'm gonna gap it. Oh, see, and this one's tight, so we're gonna open this up a little bit. I opened it up a little bit too much. Tap it. Oh yeah, we are within the spec. Right here. A little grease, a little bit on top. Right here. Okay. And now we're gonna put this guy in. Just gotta kind of eyeball it and use our fingers to put it in. Oh yeah, she's going in now. You don't want any resistance. You just want it nice and easy going till it stops. Okay, my hands are really greasy. Okay, right there. We're going to tighten this up a bit. Oh, yeah, right there. And we're going to torque it. Okay, we're good to go. And I'm just going to insert the plug in. And I did apply a little bit of dielectric grease on top. Slide this in. Okay, and okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, she's in. Okay, let's do the last one. Okay, I already undid that. Okay, here we go. And this is the spark plug. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take the gap. This one's a little bit, oh yeah, this one's within the spec. Good to go. Okay. All right. And I'm just gonna put this guy right in there. Okay. Okay, I got it right here. So now it's all in. I'm just gonna take the torque wrench and we're gonna torque it. Okay, we are good. And then last thing, just, again, I threw a little bit of dielectric grease, and all I gotta do is just align the spark plug and put her in. Okay. Okay. So what we have learned in the last 5 minutes is how to change the spark plugs on 2022 Harley Davidson Street Bob 114. It's actually quite simple, and anybody else can do it. If this video helped you out, please give me a like, share, and I'll see you guys on the next one.